Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel and you're just now watching because of a comment I made on another channel, thank you and welcome. I have a little project I'm going to do, so it's going to be a short video today. If you go way back on my videos, this is like a video log 158, so it goes back a little ways. During the winter, we had a big storm. It blew the roof off of my little home. I've got to rebuild that now that I've had my shoulder rebuilt, and it's still not able to hold much weight. So I'm putting off building a new roof and cover for my little home there, trailer, until I get a little bit more strength in the shoulder, and hopefully before we get a lot of heat, which comes in really in September and October. Before that, I definitely have to have it done before that. So also, I'm going to be planting these okra plants. There's some okra here and some manganji, Japanese manganji peppers are my favorite. And that's what's going to be going out here in the garden. But the project for today, and make it a short one, is I'm going to put together a, what was it? I called it a rototiller. On my last video clip, I said rototiller on there when I called it an auger to begin with. So now I'm going to correct myself for the third time, and it is made by Fusion, and it's called a drill powered cultivator. So I'm going to open the box and see what it looks like. In case you're wondering, yes, that is a pallet for my porch. Anyway, this is what it looks like. And oh no, there's instructions. Okay. Hi everyone. I am not getting any compensation for showing you this Fusion cultivator, drill powered cultivator. I needed it and I thought it would be interesting to post on my video. So that's that. Second thing is I would need 960 more subscribers to even think about making money on YouTube posting videos. So I do it just because I enjoy it, and I hope that you do too. So that's the end of that, and that's the end of my editorial for this. I hope you enjoy watching the rest of it. that little cultivator worked pretty good. It did what I needed it to do. It broke up that soil at a good 4 or 5 inches deep, about 4 inches deep, and it's nice and fluffy now, and I think it's what I needed to help out in this little part of my garden in here. This week I'm going to be mixing up my compost. Some of that comes in here. It gets compost tea before I put my planting in for the rest of the summer. My garden, who is not in yet, but it's going to be. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.